Python Flask, Amazon Web Service, RDS for PostgreSQL. In this video, you are going to create a PostgreSQL instance in Amazon RDS and install a PostgreSQL client in Amazon EC2, and finally connect to RDS from EC2. First, please prepare a PostgreSQL server in Amazon RDS. You can create it at aws.amazon.com. You can easily create an instance, and I will not show the details. Amazon RDS does not provide a free tier instance for PostgreSQL 13 version, so you must choose PostgreSQL 12 version, such as PostgreSQL 12.7-R1. After creating an instance, you will obtain a DNS name like this. Now you are going to install a PostgreSQL client in Amazon EC2. Change to the root account and check if there is an available PostgreSQL package. DNF list PostgreSQL. This package is in the default repository and has a version less than 12. You need to install the PostgreSQL client of version 12, which is equal to the version of the PostgreSQL server. Use the PostgreSQL repository to install version 12. The URL of the PostgreSQL repository can be found on this web page. PostgreSQL version 12, Red Hat Enterprise version 8, this is the URL of the PostgreSQL repository. Install the PostgreSQL repository. DNF install repository URL. Yes. Complete. Disable the built-in PostgreSQL module. DNF module disable PostgreSQL. Yes. Complete. Install PostgreSQL client. DNF install PostgreSQL 12. Yes. Yes. Complete. In order to connect to Amazon RDS from Amazon EC2, you must allow an access to the database. Open your console at aws.amazon.com. Go to the Security Group menu and add an inbound rule to the default security group. Security group rule ID is automatically generated and is something like this. IP version is IPv4. Type is PostgreSQL. Protocol is TCP. Port range is 5432. The most important part is source. Source is the private IP of Amazon EC2 instance /32. Use private IP, not public IP. Private IP can be found in your EC2 instance information menu. Change it to the normal account. Check if a PostgreSQL client command is installed. Which PSQL? Connect to your PostgreSQL server. PSQL-H. This is the endpoint or DNS name of your PostgreSQL instance. -u Postgres. Postgres is the default username for the database when you created the instance. Type your password which you entered when creating the instance. OK, it's connected. This is the current connected database name, and this is the owner or username for the database. Now you are going to create a main database for the project shop. To do this, make a configuration directory and create a SQL file. mkdir shop config. mkdir shop config SQL. vi shop config SQL database.sql. The database name is db_shop_main. Template 0 is used. ENUS UTF-8 is used for both escalate and LCC type. You may use other language encoding. Execute the SQL from the PSQL prompt. The main database for the project has been created. In summary, a PostgreSQL instance is created in Amazon RDS by using AWS console. A PostgreSQL client called PSQL is installed in Amazon EC2. An inbound rule is added to the default security group. RDS can be connected from EC2 by using PSQL. Thank you for watching this video.